How to make bootable USB for Windows 11. Open your favorite browser, search for Windows 11 download, hit enter, open Microsoft website, download Windows 11, scroll down, download a Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 device, select a Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64, download now. Then select your language. After that, download your Windows ISO. I have already downloaded Windows 11. Then open other tab, search for Rufus, hit enter. Open this first link, rufus.ie. Scroll down, download standard one. It is 4.6.exe. Here I have Windows 11 ISO and Rufus. Plug in one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Then double click on Rufus. This software will detect your USB flash drive. Now Rufus detect my USB flash drive. Select, find Windows 11 ISO. Leave everything as default. If you want, you can change this volume level. Start. Okay. Okay. This step will take a few moments. Please wait. Now it is finished. Close it. Unplug USB. Again plug in. Now it is ready to install Windows 11. If you want to install Windows 11, then watch this video. Have a good time. See you soon.